Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the Homelyze HD digital TV antenna. A device designed to bring over-the-air television right into your living room without the monthly cable bill. This indoor-outdoor antenna promises a range of over 1,700 miles. Supports 4K and 1080p resolution, and comes equipped with an amplifier signal booster and a thick coaxial cable. We'll walk you through its features, setup, and performance to see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Homelyze antenna stands out with its unique dual array structure. Unlike traditional antennas that rely on a single set of metal rods, this one features signal receiving rods on both the front and back. This dual polarized design ensures multi-directional reception, which means you won't have to spend time hunting for the perfect spot to place it. Whether you put it on a shelf, near a window, or even outdoors, it is designed to pick up signals consistently from multiple directions. The antenna also incorporates smart chip technology. This chip is engineered to reduce signal loss and filter out interference, delivering a stable and clear TV picture. If you live far from broadcast towers, this feature becomes particularly useful. The built-in amplifier has adjustable modes, allowing you to boost the signal for long-range reception. Combined with the 16.4-foot thick coaxial cable, this ensures strong, reliable connections that maintain picture and sound quality. Speaking of picture quality, the antenna supports 4K and 1080p HD resolution, giving your TV a sharp, uncompressed signal. This means you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies with the same clarity as cable, and in some cases, even better. The device also works for both modern smart TVs and older TVs with a digital tuner, so compatibility isn't an issue. Setting up the Homelyze antenna is straightforward. You start by connecting the coaxial cable to your TV or set-top box. Then plug the USB power into either your TV's USB port or a standard USB adapter. After switching your TV to antenna or air mode, you scan for channels. The manufacturer notes that placing the antenna near a window can help optimize performance, but thanks to the dual array design, it should still work well in most indoor locations. The package includes the antenna itself, a base with screws for mounting, and a user manual to guide you through the process. Its compact size and user-friendly design make it a practical choice for anyone looking to upgrade from a standard antenna or cut the cord entirely. Overall, the Homelyze HD digital TV antenna is designed for convenience, performance, and versatility. From its dual-array design and smart chip technology to its long, stable coaxial cable and support for 4K resolution, it aims to deliver a superior viewing experience for both indoor and outdoor use. If you're looking to enhance your over-the-air TV setup without the hassle of cable, this antenna is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the latest electronics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.